Hello, today I'm making fried cabbage as part of the keto diet. I'm not too big a fan of cabbage, but for fry it tastes quite nice. So first of all, I just cut it, if you can see that, into slices. It shrinks quite a bit, so you do quite a lot of cabbage. So it shrinks during the frying process. And so first of all I'll cook it and then put it in the fry pan. So that should do it. That there. So I've got this nice chopping board. It's got guides at the end, which works really well instead of getting bits all over the place. That's that bit done. So I just put it in there, and I'm just waiting for the water to boil in the pan. Right, so in preparation of the steamed cabbage, which is in here, steaming away, probably should have taken the lid off. Might turn that up a bit. I've got a fry pan, again cast iron, which gives a good heat distribution, and I'll put that on to 3, just over 3, and I'm using oops, can't see it. I'm using coconut oil to do the frying, so I'll just let that. So also in the fry pan I did some roast pork last week, so I quite like that browned up, so I'll put the pork in the pan and just have it on one side so there's room for the cabbage on the other side of the pan. Right, so we're just waiting now for the cabbage to finish steaming. Back in a minute or two. Right, and we're back. Now the cabbage has been steaming now for 10 minutes, so I'll take it off the heat and put it into the fry pan. So trying not to get too much water, into the fry pan, otherwise it will spit at you. There you go. That's not too bad. I've done that reasonably well. And I'll then just spread that out a bit. And get a bit of oil on all of it. Now the thing is not to do it too quickly, otherwise it will burn, which isn't very nice. So what you're looking for is browning, a la doing brown onion. So you're looking for it to caramelise, and it makes it quite sweet. I'll just put on some salt and pepper. So not too much, not too little, as they say, to taste. And a bit of white pepper. Right, so I just need to keep an eye on that for the next 10 minutes. Now with the cabbage I might have left it a little bit long. It's beginning to burn rather than brown. You should be able to see how much it's shrunk in the process, and should have got some nicely brown bit of pork with it as well, so that'd be cool. Okay, if you decide to try it, I hope you enjoy it. Cheers.